Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to create a storage blob on a Microsoft Azure. Okay, so without wasting too much time, let's go to our screen. Okay, so you can also follow the steps. Okay, and I also creating the video tutorial for you to access. Yeah. So you can be follow this blog as well as follow the video as well. Okay, so let's say go to the Azure. Okay, simply go to the storage account. In the storage account, click on the create. Okay, we have to keep these things as it is. Okay, we have to give the storage account name. Okay, so I provided here Ravindra storage A. Then privacy, select here Azure Bob storage. Okay, we have to keep standard. Okay, and simply go to the advanced setting now. Allow enabling anonymous access on individual container. So anyone can access this resource. Okay, for learning purpose we are creating this, so I just giving the anonymous access here. Okay, so I simply click on here review and create. So my storage account is validating. Okay, simply then I need to click here on create. So process is initializing. Okay, our request is submitted and we are getting one new storage account with the name of Ravindra storage. Okay, so we are in the Ravindra storage. Okay, you can be see we are here. Okay, so development is in progress, so for we will wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and let's I open in this way. Okay, so my entire page is loaded now. Okay, and development is done as well. So let's I go to the container here. Okay, so so in the container, let's give the name to the container. Okay, I providing the name Ravi. Okay, container is like an space. Okay, so we are creating multiple boxes here simply. Okay, so I simply click on here create. My storage account is created now. Okay, so I need to give the access here. Okay, it is private. We can give here Bob read access only. Okay, and click on the OK. Now you can upload the any file here. Yeah, so let's say I upload one file here and click on the upload. So my file is uploaded successfully and we are completed the first second exercise as well on the Azure. Okay, and now you can be see my image is available on the cloud. Anyone can access this. Okay, so that's all friends. Okay, after some time 60 minutes this account will gone and this all the steps are mentioned here as well. You can follow from here as well. Thank you friends, keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring.